Hey there, and welcome to this video all about the health benefits of cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy green vegetable that's been enjoyed for centuries around the world. From its crunchy texture to its distinctive flavor, there's no denying that cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that can do wonders for your health. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 of the most significant health benefits of cabbage that you may not have known before. So, let's dive in. Cabbage is rich in nutrients. Did you know that cabbage is packed full of essential vitamins and minerals? Just 1 cup of cooked cabbage contains over 90% of your daily vitamin C needs. Cabbage is also a great source of vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and bone health, and vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in brain development and metabolism. Additionally, cabbage is high in fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Cabbage can help with digestion. If you suffer from digestive issues, cabbage may be just what you need. Cabbage contains compounds that help to promote healthy gut bacteria, which can lead to improved digestion and reduced inflammation. Additionally, the high fiber content in cabbage can help to keep things moving along smoothly in your digestive system. Cabbage can boost your immune system. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases in the body. Studies have shown that consuming vitamin C can reduce the severity and duration of the common cold, and may also protect against other respiratory infections. In addition to vitamin C, cabbage also contains other compounds that can boost the immune system. One of these compounds is glucosinolates, which are sulfur-containing compounds found in cruciferous vegetables like cabbage. Glucosinolates have been shown to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, and may also help to stimulate the immune system. Another compound found in cabbage is sulforaphane, which has been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Sulforaphane can help to protect the body against oxidative stress, which can contribute to chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Sulforaphane has also been shown to have anti-cancer properties, and may help to prevent the development and spread of certain types of cancer. Cabbage can help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Cabbage contains several compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, including anthocyanins and vitamin C. Anthocyanins are water-soluble pigments that give some varieties of cabbage their distinctive purple color. Studies have shown that anthocyanins can reduce inflammation in the body by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules. Additionally, anthocyanins have been shown to have antioxidant properties, which can help to protect the body against oxidative stress. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Vitamin C can neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to chronic inflammation. Studies have shown that consuming vitamin C-rich foods like cabbage can help to reduce inflammation in the body, leading to improved health outcomes. Cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that offers a wide range of health benefits, including boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation in the body. The compounds found in cabbage, including vitamin C, glucosinolates, and anthocyanins, have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that can help to protect the body against chronic diseases. So go ahead and add some cabbage to your diet today and enjoy all the health benefits it has to offer. Cabbage can help you lose weight. Cabbage is low in calories, with only 33 calories per cup of chopped raw cabbage. This means you can eat a large serving of cabbage without consuming many calories, making it an excellent food choice for those looking to lose weight. Cabbage is also high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of snacking on high-calorie foods throughout the day. Fiber also helps to slow down the digestion process, meaning you won't experience hunger pangs as frequently. Studies have also shown that cabbage may help with weight loss by reducing fat absorption. Cabbage contains compounds called glucosinolates, which can inhibit the absorption of dietary fat in the body. This can lead to a reduction in body weight over time. Additionally, cabbage is a good source of water, with a high water content of around 92%. Drinking water before a meal can help to reduce calorie intake during that meal, and eating foods with a high water content can have a similar effect. Therefore, consuming cabbage can help to reduce overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. One study found that participants who ate cabbage soup as part of a low-calorie diet lost more weight than those who ate a low-calorie diet without cabbage soup. The participants who ate cabbage soup also reported feeling more full and satisfied. Overall, incorporating cabbage into your diet can be a helpful tool in promoting weight loss. Its low-calorie and high-fiber content, along with its ability to reduce fat absorption and promote satiety, make it an ideal food choice for those looking to lose weight. So go ahead and add some cabbage to your next meal, and enjoy its many health benefits. So, there you have it, amazing health benefits of cabbage that you may not have known before. From its nutrient-rich profile to its ability to reduce inflammation and boost your immune system, there are so many reasons to add more cabbage to your diet. Whether you enjoy it raw in a salad or cooked into a delicious stir-fry, there are plenty of ways to incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Food Recipes for more videos.